I love being a chicken tender, and there's lots of wonderful things that go on, but there's also things that are not so good. Hello. Hello. Hi, Dottie. Hello. Hello, Dottie. Are we going outside today? Come on. One of the joys is when they come running around that corner. That just fills my heart. But as you saw, Dottie was very slow. And if you look at them all out there, they all seem fine. But when you're a chicken mom to a small flock, or even probably with a big flock, you notice when the behavior is slightly different. So a chicken kind of moving a little slower, not kind of being with the crowd, is not normal. However, with Dottie, she is an independent chicken, and she always liked going on and being by herself. But being in my life for the last 3.5 years, I notice when she is being an independent chicken or when she is sick. And that sweet chicken is sick. Chickens don't like to let other chickens know that they are sick, because if there is the smell of illness, a predator could come. So chickens will put on a brave face and walk around as if nothing is wrong. Because believe it or not, the healthy chickens will attack the sick chicken. So they all pretend, no, nothing to see here. Nope, not sick at all. But what Dottie might have, I don't know. And that's the hard part. Hello, Mrs. Brown. One thing that you do is you do check their poop. No, I'm not gonna show you their poop. Yesterday, her poop was mucousy, looking more like egg white. Well, what I've learned over the last 3.5 years is that when the poop starts looking different, you better check it out. And there is lots of websites that you can see. If your poop looks like this, your chicken might have this. If your poop looks like this, your chicken might have this. So I have dealt with egg yolk peritonitis before, and that's kind of what I am thinking that Dottie has. Being that she's an elder chicken, her eggs don't come as often, and so there could be a problem when she released the yolk, that if there is anything that happened in that process where the egg yolk got stuck or broke apart, as it's traveling through her reproductive system, it's scarring it, and that can be very painful. So Dottie gets extra vitamins, and I do give her a bit of a painkiller each day. But see, even as she's scratching, her scratches are not as strong as normal. Because you don't feel very good. Look at under this one, Dottie. Come on. You ready? Ready? Okay. Anything under that one? Oh, slug. And a worm, maybe. Okay, back up. Should we look under this one? Should we look under this one, Dottie? Anything? Anything? Gotta be fast, because I know you like the little centipedes. Anything? No? Good girl. Okay. Typically what you're going to do for your sick chicken is you're going to bring them in and give them an Epsom salts bath. The other possibility is that she could have her eggs stuck. And so the best form of defense for that is to bring them in and give them a warm Epsom salts bath. So that's what she got last night. A couple of other important aspects is I do need to keep her eating and to make sure that she keeps drinking. And when I do pick her up, I can tell that she has lost some weight, so she's not eating as much. In this morning's mash, I put oregano and some chili flakes. Oh, you've got quite a good full crop. That's good. We're gonna give you some painkillers. One way to give your chicken a syringe is just by gently holding their wattles. And it's kind of a one, all there, all done. And so that's her painkiller. And then this is the vitamins. We're giving you extra vitamins. This is called Nutri-Drench. So I'm just waiting for her just to kind of, you know, be comfortable and trust me. And we're gonna do it and hopefully not get it all over the place. Are you ready, Dottie? Are you ready? Ready? Oops. Here we go. Oh, too fast. Oh, that was tasty. That's so tasty. Good girl. And I like to have a little water chaser. Little water chaser. Ready? Ready, Dottie? Are you ready? Oh, it's dripping. You ready? 1, 2, 3. There. Feel a little violated. One good sign is that she is eating. She doesn't want any of the sunflower seeds. She wants the small treats. And she does tend to drink. Is that good? Are you going to have some water, Dottie? Dottie, Dottie? Oh, do you see a little bug out there? Do you see a little bug out there? Here's a little bug kind. You like the soldier flies. Oh, that one's a little too big. Yeah, you go, no, I don't want that. I don't want that. Just want the little dry soldier flies. A dry fly larva. Oh, that was a big one. You gotta break it up and get the rest of it. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Dottie. And I really like to see you drink. Oh, good girl. Yeah, get some water in there. Okay, are you ready to go back out and not be a house chicken? Come on, Dottie. Come on. Come on, chicken. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Are you coming? You can't be a house chicken. You have to come outside. Come on. Come on. Come on, Dottie. Come on. Let's go. I know you don't feel very good. So that is not normal behavior for Dottie because she usually will come when I call her. So I'm just going to walk her back. Usually she's more upright, but because I only have one hand. But when we took her out, she was actually in the coop. So I'm actually going to put her back in there. Say hi, Dottie. Say hi, Dottie. Look at that chicken. Look at that pretty chicken. This way, if she's ready to go to bed, then she can just go and head up. Are you going to be okay? Oh, you're going to play in some nesting straw. All right. You can go to bed if you want. Head to bed if you need to. All right, we'll be back later to put you to bed. I did bring Dottie in for a bath, and it was kind of late in the afternoon, which is not the most ideal time to be bathing her, just because the evenings do get cool. And to send her back out into the population, that would mean that she would be out there in the mud. So not the most optimal. But I waited till it was time to close up the girls, and when I took Dottie out, because she is the head chicken, there is a certain spot that she sits in. My heart was just so happy because they didn't take up her spot. They assumed that she was still on her way, even though she hadn't been around the group for a bit. So I thought that was pretty special. I'm a little bit concerned about our Dottie, and hopefully I won't lose her. And yes, she is just a chicken, but she has been in my life for the last 3.5 years, and she has brought me such joy, and she is such a sweet, kind chicken. So only time will tell with giving her the extra vitamins and a little bit of painkiller to see if this passes. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care. God bless. And God bless our little Dottie.